Hey YouTube, I am a graduate student from Middlesex University in London, and in this video we will be showing a demonstration of how RobotStudio works. This is an assessment for a robot manipulations class. While the simulation is running, there are some points to highlight. First, we are making several movements using a pen tool attached to the manipulator, this one right here, which grabs a pen to describe a certain path depending on what its program is. We have distinct functions or procedures, as they are called in the RobotStudio environment, to write down every single figure, starting with the outer square, this one here, then with the M, the D, and the X, which are the initials to Middlesex University. Paths and points will become invisible temporarily to make the drawing easier to appreciate. Then we click play. The second point to highlight is the movements. The sequence in every procedure starts at home, a point in the upper middle part of the sketch, then goes to an offset position just above the first point of the figure. This is made with a minimum speed to simulate a smooth contact with the work surface, so this way it avoids any perforation or damage. After a procedure is done, the manipulator continues with the next one until it's done, finally returning to the, the home position. We'll make now the manipulator invisible to appreciate even more our drawing. Third point is that the movements within the figure must be strictly linear with a fine zone to achieve the desired sketch. Only moments when movements are curved and in the arcs of the D letter, and when the manipulator leaves or returns to home. This is because it's not describing any figure, so it does not matter to us in this case how it moves to the next position. So this grants a certain degree of liberty in the movement of the manipulator. We can see right now that this is the home position, and just above every figure there is an offset position just to reach the plane of the drawing in minimum speed, as explained previously. This is done with every single figure of the drawing. If we click on Rapid, we can see the code of this procedure. Rapid is the programming environment of RobotStudio. The first thing we see are the variables, which are basically all the points in which the manipulator reaches to make our drawing. This second part right here is our main procedure, which tells the manipulator which individual procedure to run first, then second, then last. Starting with the square procedure, so it means that it draws the square, then the M, then the D, and the X. If we wanted to just draw one of these figures independently, we could just erase all of them and choose, for example, the X, and the program will run only the X. These ones right here are the independent procedures and the movements they made. So this is it. Hope you liked it. If you have any comment, please write it down on the comment section, and thanks for watching.